How to schedule a future bill payment on TD Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to schedule a bill payment ahead of time using TD Online Banking, well, let me show you how to do it in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, you simply have to click on the search bar and simply search for the TD Bank. And now here, once you search for it on the search result, you simply have to click on first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here on this page you simply have to click on login and after that simply select online banking and once you do that you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here in this page you simply have to enter the username and password to log in to your TD Bank account. And here once logged in simply navigate to the bill pay tab in your dashboard and this is where you will manage and schedule payments. Now here on this page you simply have to select an existing payee and here once you have selected it, if the company or person isn't listed, you can simply click on add a payee to set it up first. So here once you have entered the payee details, you can simply click on it and enter the amount. And here, once you have entered it, the most importantly, you can choose a future date for when you want the payment to be sent. Now here, once you have done entering that, you simply have to review all the details and if everything looks good, you can just click submit and confirm. And after that, your payment will be scheduled. And you can even view or edit your future payments anytime under the scheduled payment section. And that's it. That's how you can schedule a future bill payment with TD Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.